If you're getting into ethical hacking, you've probably asked this question: should I use Kali Linux or Parrot OS? Both are made for hackers. Both look similar, but one mistake in choosing the right OS could slow you down or even ruin your learning experience. So before you install anything, watch this video till the end. I'll break it down simply: features, performance, tools, privacy, and real use cases. Let's go. Part 1. What is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is probably the most famous operating system for penetration testing. It was developed by Offensive Security, the same people behind the OSCP certification. It's based on Debian and comes with over 600 pre-installed tools for hacking, scanning, and analyzing networks. From Nmap and Wireshark to Metasploit, John the Ripper, Hydra, everything is built in. No fluff, just tools. It's designed for professionals, security researchers, and ethical hackers. And it's used in real-world environments, cybersecurity labs, and even in Capture the Flag competitions. Part 2. What is Parrot OS? Now let's talk about Parrot OS. It's also based on Debian and built for ethical hacking, but it's a bit different in its philosophy. Parrot is lighter, faster, and more focused on privacy and anonymity. It includes tools like AnonSurf, Tor, and secure sandboxing by default. It's not just for hacking. Parrot also supports programming, forensics, secure browsing, and even daily work. That's why it comes in different versions. Parrot Security Edition, for full penetration testing; Parrot Home Edition, for everyday use plus hacking tools. In short, Kali is more focused, Parrot is more flexible. Part 3. Head-to-head comparison. Let's compare them side by side. Here are the key differences that really matter. 1. Toolset. Kali, clean and professional. All tools are focused on penetration testing. Parrot includes more general tools, secure communication, development, even office apps. 2. Performance. Kali is a bit heavier. It's not slow, but Parrot runs better on low-end devices or VMs. 3. Privacy and anonymity. Parrot wins here. With built-in tools like AnonSurf and Tor, it's ready for anonymous testing. Kali doesn't include these by default. You'll need to set them up manually. 4. UI and user experience. Parrot's UI is smoother, more beginner-friendly. Kali is minimal and technical, great if you know what you're doing. 5. Community and support. Kali has massive official documentation and community support. Parrot has a smaller community, but it's growing fast. Part 4. Which one should you choose? So, which one is best for you? Here's my advice. Choose Kali Linux if you're preparing for certifications like OSCP or CEH. You want a professional, no-fluff toolset. You're okay with setting up things manually. You love the challenge and want to go deep. Choose Parrot OS if you're just starting out in hacking. You also want to use your system for browsing, coding, and daily stuff. You want privacy features out of the box. You prefer a lighter, easier experience. Pro tip: you can also install both in VirtualBox or dual boot your system and test for yourself. Congratulations! You now know the basics of Kali Linux and Parrot OS. It's time to take action. But wait, you're probably wondering how to choose the right OS for your hacking journey. Well, here are 5 simple steps to help you decide. Step 1. Define your goals. Why do you want to learn hacking? Are you into ethical hacking, penetration testing, or maybe digital forensics? Each area has different needs and tools. Step 2. Consider your experience. Are you a complete beginner, or do you have some tech knowledge? Some OSes are more user-friendly than others. Step 3. Check hardware requirements. Make sure your computer meets the minimum specs for the OS you want to install. Not all systems can run specialized hacking OSs smoothly. Step 4. Explore toolsets. Different OSs come with different hacking tools. Find out which ones match your goals. For example, Kali Linux is great for penetration testing, while Parrot OS is good for privacy and anonymity. Step 5. Join the community. Ask questions, get advice, and learn from others in online forums or local meetups. The right OS will depend on your specific needs. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. And guess what? We have done the hard work for you. We have listed some of the best hacking distros for 2025 based on your goals. Whether you are into ethical hacking, penetration testing, or digital forensics, we have got you covered. Click the link in description to check out our detailed guide on the best hacking distros for 2025. Kali Linux is open source and free to use. It is widely used by security professionals, ethical hackers, and penetration testers. It has a wide range of tools for various purposes, such as network scanning, vulnerability assessment, and exploitation. However, Kali Linux is not suitable for beginners because it can be difficult to set up and use. Parrot OS is also open source and free to use. It is designed for digital forensics and privacy-focused tasks. It has tools for data recovery, malware analysis, and anonymous browsing. Parrot OS is more user-friendly than Kali Linux, but it is not as widely used or supported. BlackArch Linux is an open-source and free-to-use operating system that is specifically designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It has over 800 tools for various hacking tasks, such as wireless hacking, reverse engineering, and cryptography. BlackArch is based on Arch Linux and is more suitable for advanced users because it requires more technical knowledge to install and configure. Backbox is a free and open-source operating system that is designed for penetration testing and digital forensics. It has over 1,000 tools for hacking tasks such as vulnerability scanning, exploitation, and password recovery. Backbox is based on Ubuntu and is more beginner-friendly than other hacking distros. CyberArms is a free and open-source operating system that is designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It has tools for various hacking tasks, such as web application security testing, wireless hacking, and social engineering. CyberArms is based on Debian and is more suitable for advanced users because it requires more technical knowledge to use. The best choice for you will depend on your experience level and specific hacking goals. If you are a beginner, I recommend using Backbox or Parrot OS. If you are an advanced user, you may prefer Kali Linux, BlackArch, or CyberArms. Kali Linux has a wide range of tools for various hacking purposes, making it a popular choice for security professionals and ethical hackers. It offers a comprehensive set of tools for network scanning, vulnerability assessment, and exploitation, as well as for web application security testing, wireless hacking, and reverse engineering. This extensive tool set makes it a versatile platform for penetration testers and security researchers. Additionally, Kali Linux has a large and active community of users and developers who contribute to its growth and improvement. This strong community support ensures that users have access to a wealth of resources, including documentation, tutorials, and forums for assistance. Furthermore, Kali Linux is regularly updated to include the latest hacking tools and techniques, keeping users at the forefront of the cybersecurity industry. Overall, the wide range of tools, strong community support, and regular updates make Kali Linux a top choice for those seeking a comprehensive and up-to-date hacking platform. Parrot OS is gaining popularity as an alternative to Kali Linux for ethical hackers and security professionals. It offers a unique set of tools and features that make it an attractive option for users who prioritize privacy and anonymity. Parrot OS includes tools for anonymous browsing and data leak prevention, as well as for password management and secure communication. It also has a built-in sandbox environment for isolating malicious code and preventing it from spreading to the rest of the system. Additionally, Parrot OS has a user-friendly interface that makes it more accessible to beginners and non-technical users. It also has a growing community of users and developers who contribute to its development and provide support to its users. However, Parrot OS is still relatively new compared to Kali Linux and does not have the same level of recognition or support. Despite this, Parrot OS is a promising platform for ethical hacking and security testing that offers a unique set of features and benefits. In conclusion, both Kali Linux and Parrot OS are powerful tools for ethical hacking and penetration testing, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Kali Linux is widely used and has a vast array of tools, while Parrot OS is more specialized for privacy-focused tasks. The choice between the two ultimately depends on the specific needs and priorities of the user. Whether you choose Kali Linux or Parrot OS, both operating systems can provide a valuable platform for learning about ethical hacking and improving your cybersecurity skills. So go ahead and explore these tools and happy hacking. Parrot OS download link https www.parrotsec.org. What do you think about Kali vs. Parrot OS? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching. Keep hacking ethically.